Okay, so I'm just an Aweber, and all you would do is, if you wanted to sign up for an account, is just click on order, and I think they start trials now from $20 a month. And again, there's a dollar trial account as well. You get $1 for your first month, which is pretty cool because you can start implementing all the affiliate millionaire stuff before you get charged. And again, it's $19, so it's quite a low fee for what you get. So I would just click sign. I'm just clicking sign in, and I'm just going to pause as I log into my account. Okay, so we're in my Aweber account, and if we scroll down here, we can see all these various lists that I have. I've had this account a long time, so a lot of different lists. So affiliate millionaire leads. So that was the opt-in form. Now I'm going to actually show you an Aweber. This is really easy. Okay, so say you'd logged into Aweber in your account. You click create and manage lists. Okay, just want to show you how simple this is. And then you go across to here, click on create new list. You put in your list name. This is just identifiable to you, so could be Golf 1010. So that's just your list name. Description, Golf newsletter. You put in your name here, or whatever name will be in the from email. It could be your character's name, which is going to be discussed in Module 3 and Module 4. Your email address, and then you just click Save List Settings, and that's all you do, and that creates a list for you. Okay, so then what you do, if you want to get your web form, you select that list that you've just created. I'm just using affiliate millionaire leads as an example here. Okay, you then go across to web forms, and as you can see here, these are actually my web forms. So this was the squeeze page. So you can see we had 80,000 displays with 64,000 unique displays. Obviously, that's just to the to different people, and we had a 44.7% opt-in rate. As I said, it was actually around 60 as we started, but 44% as a campaign goes on is very good. Now I'm talking about a big launch campaign. If it's a regular, just a campaign where you're just driving traffic from various sources, that it's not a big launch campaign, your opt-in rate will be pretty consistent. So all you need to do to create a web form is click create web form. And you'll get this here wee robot coming up. So it's like a wee editor for you. Okay, so here's your design page, and all we need to do is scroll across here, click on hide templates. We don't need any of that. So this is your opt-in form. So generally I delete the top there, just X. Okay, then we go to edit, and I usually want to put in first name. Scroll across there so you can see it. So I've just put in first name, click OK. Email, leave the same. For the submit button, submit is a really boring word, and again, this is one of the factors that can increase your conversion rate. I usually put yes, send me the free videos, or whatever you're offering. Click OK. Now obviously that's a wee bit out of shape, so we just drag this across. Okay, then go to step 2. You go to name my web form, which again, this is just your reference. Home page of website, just whatever you want. Thank you page, you can go to custom URL, and then you just put in whatever your thank you page is, and we'll go into that in a wee bit later. And then we'll just leave that basic version for now. Go to step 3, save web form. And all you would need to do then, it's all very point and click. And then, again, homepage is the one we've just created here. So all we need to do, scroll across click on publish, and this pops up. So all you need to do is scroll down, see the JavaScript snippet version? There's your code. So just click on the box, right click on the mouse, left click, copy. Okay, I'm going back to my web design editor, and all I need to do to get that code in would be literally right click, insert HTML, just delete those two tags there, and paste that in. Okay? So if I actually previewed this now there's already an opt-in page on this, so you're probably going to see two opt-in forms. I'm just going to preview the page. Save changes. I'll click on yes. And we'll have a wee look. Yeah, so there's two opt-in pages there, obviously because there was one already on it. And that's all you do to get your squeeze page ready. So it's not very complicated at all. It's a very, very simple thing. So what we'll do now is show, after you enter your name and email, we're going to talk through the post squeeze page, which is obviously after they hit enter, what page you want to show them after. Okay, so this is the thank you landing page. So again, this is included in your Affiliate Millionaire Toolkit. However, if you ever want to access it on the web, it's affiliatemillionaire.com/demo-squeeze-thanks.html. So that is the link there if you want to access it from the web. So basically, it's just a, thanks them for signing up for free stuff, okay? And here is a report that you can, I'm promoting this product as an affiliate. It's Mark Ling's Affiliorama. And if we go here, let me actually show you this. This is actually my affiliate link. So if we go here and I bring this across, you can see there affiliorama.com/premium report. And then that AFF equals super AF, that's my ClickBank affiliate ID. So again, if we click here, this takes them to a free report page. And that's it there. So again, I could promote anything, and depending on what niche I was in, whether it's golf or learning guitar or any other musical instrument and stuff like that, there you can just link, just get a product image, put a headline, 3 bullet points, and then click here to access it, and you will make sales as an affiliate that way as well. So that's one way to just, if you've invested any money in acquiring your subscriber, that's one way to start getting the money flowing instantly. So as you can see from the landing page, that's pretty interesting. Usually these big fancy landing pages that have all these flashing graphics and links and all actually are worse. The sole aim of your landing page, the number one aim, is just to get the visitor to opt in, nothing else. So why would you want to distract them by putting like Google AdSense or these other ads on it and take them away from your site? That's the only focus of it, okay? And as I've shown you, like that page, which was, to be honest, brutally ugly, performed so well, especially when I was using it for Affiliate Millionaire. And it's a great template to base your stuff on. Now, if you want to create your own templates, remember, inside the Affiliate Millionaire Toolkit, which is part of the package, you have your own pre-launch templates, and feel free to use these for your market. But again, I would focus on just using text in that order, big headline and smaller headline, because that's what's working the best at the moment. Okay, so now I want to move on to talking about traffic. And as I said at the start of this module, there's lots of different ways to get traffic, depending on your budget and depending how much experience you have. However, the way at the end is probably the method that will definitely get you the most people to opt into your list for the cheapest cost possible. So let's get started in the traffic section right away. Okay, so moving on to the next section. This is traffic. So you've got your landing page and you understand what you've got to do with that. Well, now you've got to get traffic to that page. Now, no matter what you've been told in the past about traffic, here's what it just simply boils down to. You can generate traffic in 3 main ways. Time. And time is an investment. So you can do things like article writing, link building, and obviously you can decrease your time by getting some good software to submit your articles to mass directories. You can pay for the traffic. Example is pay-per-click or use e-signs, things like that. And again, this can be very effective at building your list fast. However, it can be expensive. And you can borrow. So if you have something of value that you can get joint venture partners to promote, and you can build a list this way. And part of my big secret method involves a variation of this. You'll find this really interesting. Now, the first method, investing your time. Getting mass distribution of articles linking back to your site is a great way to start. It is very cost effective, and it's not too expensive. Now, you've got two choices here. You can either write the article yourself, or you could outsource it and get someone else to write it, which generally is around $8 per article. And I cover outsourcing at 17 minutes inside Module 5, okay? Now, there is also another way, and I'll tell you that in a wee second. Once you have your articles written, you need to get some distribution. Now, we will cover the major places to submit your article to, but more importantly, I want to also show you the piece of software. Well, I basically view this as essential if you want to do article marketing, that you really need to get, because it's going to save you a lot of time, multiple hours. So let me switch to screen cam and take you through the article section.